So this January I visited Munnar in Kerala and मुझसे सही में पूछो तो मैं आपको कभी नहीं बता पाऊँगा कि how beautiful is this particular city. I mean, it's just mesmerizing with the colors you see. It's so bright and it's so beautiful with the tea gardens. I was just moving around and venturing in the tea gardens. Well, I am a big fan of tea, so yeah, that's obvious. So yeah, I took a very good boat ride in the Matupet Dam, then flea market where I could purchase a lot of stuff, local stuff, or I could also shout on the Eco Point and actually get it back. Also, I went to some of the spots where I couldn't see anything, and some of the spots where I could see a lot of things like this, the Lockhart Cap. Finally ended up in the Kerala farms taking the rich spices of 1500 varieties before the guy catches me with the camera. I'm so screwed. Yeah, I also took a bath at the Lakum waterfalls, and with this I had a really good fun in Munnar. I'll take you through the journey I had. So sit down, relax. This is Rajvi. Namaste. What's up guys? Sorry, mask उतार लेता हूँ यार. What's up guys? So just abhi we reached Munnar. Before reaching Munnar we took a very vigorous turn, and यार अगर आप यहाँ पे आ रहे हो, my serious recommendation to people would be ask people around. I landed here. I was supposed to land at 5, but मैं यहाँ आया हूँ around. Now it's 8 PM. मुझे 3 घंटे लग गए. मैं अलग अलग डाइवर्शन पे गया, कहीं दूसरे कोने में चला गया, वहाँ से फिर घूम घाम के फाइनली आई केम हियर. वी आर राइट नाउ एट द वेस्टवुड रिजॉर्ट. तो हुआ यूँ कि हम यहाँ आए एंड हमें जो रूम मिलना था 203, उसका preparation हुआ नहीं था, so they had to cancel that room. Finally he ended up giving me another room which is on the 4th floor, and now that is an executive room with the river view. Sorry, this is the balcony view. I'll show you guys that tomorrow, and that side is the river view. I got what I wanted. Now it's just the sleep which I need, because that's it with me on the first day. I mean day 0 of Munnar. Bye guys, see ya tomorrow morning. Hey guys, good morning. So just transferring some of the files. So this is day 1. We are moving towards Munnar Top Point Station, Eco Point. Then there is Cowboy Park and Kandal Dam, I think. So ऐसा कुछ नाम है उसका. So ऐसा कुछ 5-6 spots है. On throughout the way of 30 kilometers हम ऊपर जा रहे होंगे. And ये spots एक के बाद एक आता जाएगा. There's a very beautiful dam. Stay tuned. This is day 1. We are going to hit a long way up the mountain. So guys, this is the Cowboy Park, जहाँ पे आप शूटिंग गेम्स, वोर्टेक्स वगैरह, रोलिंग, फिर गेम्स लाइक दोस, व्हाट डू यू कॉल मैंने कभी किया नहीं है, रोप पे चढ़ के इधर से उधर भागना. तो दोस थिंग्स यू कैन डू वेरी इजीली. ये सब यहाँ पे अवेलेबल है. एज यू कैन सी देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ गेम्स अवेलेबल. सो हम बोटिंग ढूंढ रहे हैं, यहाँ पे कहीं मिल जाएगा तो हम डेफिनेटली जाएंगे. Hey, so I think I had to just barge in here. Sun Valley Boating Center बहुत ही ज़्यादा amazing place है. I mean the Matupet Dam and the boating over here is just out of the world. You cannot experience this anywhere in Kerala at least. So guys, we are boating right now. It's Hey guys, right now I am in Eco Point. It's like a complete circle जो आपको और जब आप यहाँ से ऊपर की तरफ जा रहे हो towards कुंडल लेक, एक फ्ली मार्केट है उसके नीचे मिलता है. Agenda is you can shout from here like चिल्लाओ जोर से and the entire world will hear you and reflect the same sound back. यही कहा गया था मुझे and ये होता भी है. I am seeing people over there, they are shouting, laughing and whatever is reflecting back towards me again. It's starting to pour over here, बारिश हो रही है and I guess I have to wrap up the vlog too fast because top station जाना है. It's already 4. I'm delayed voting वाला experience की वजह से. Okay, no issues. Let me just go there and figure out what's next for the vlog. Hidden, sacred but yet वो जगह जो शायद आप कभी मिस नहीं करना चाहोगे जब भी आप यहाँ पे आओ, which is the कुंडल डैम. इट्स एन आर्क, एक कंप्लीट सर्कल है, बट यहाँ से जो आपको डैम व्यू मिलेगा देखने को, विच इज़ जस्ट अनदर रिमार्केबल क्रिएशन इन मुन्नार. सो दिस इज़ मी एट 4 PM एट टॉप स्टेशन हाईवे. दूर दूर तक कोई गाड़ी नहीं, कुछ नहीं. इट वॉज जस्ट फॉग, टेंस फॉग. हालांकि मैंने अपना रिस्क लिया, मज़ा आया मुझे. एंड आई वॉज एक्चुअली वेरी स्केयर्ड टू ड्राइव ओवर हियर. So you can see मेरे पीछे कितना ज़्यादा फॉग हो रखा है and this is my front view. I hope कुछ नहीं मिलेगा देखने को. I'm pretty sure about that. Hey guys, good morning. So right now we are at day 2 and आज का जो plan है will start from Potamedu, Anamudi viewpoint and then Chinakal waterfall. So we have like more 4-5 places to cover today and इसी के साथ मुन्नार भी completely done because हमारे पास इसके अलावा अब मुन्नार में और कुछ बचेगा नहीं. So with this, good morning all of you. Day 2 starts. Yes, so again, Munnar is all about beautiful hill stations. Everywhere you go, I just find it mesmerizing. जहाँ भी जाओ, it's just a fabulous weather. The mornings are very good, like you can see behind me over there. कितना अच्छा अब मौसम हो रखा है, right? So everything is just perfect about this hill station. So this behind me, guys. This behind me is the Westwood Riverside Garden Resort. Why Riverside? Because यहाँ पे आपको ये पूरा river section दिख रहा है, right? So this is just a small stream of river जिसके बाजू में ये बना हुआ है and it's a very good spot. So when you're coming in Munnar and you want to get a budget room or like a standard or deluxe or executive room with a balcony and a view, I would suggest go for this buddy over here, Westwood Garden View. So मेरा सबसे सजेशन यही रहेगा गाइस कि जब भी आप मुन्नार आ रहे हो, प्लीज़ कम फ्रॉम दी कोची हाईवे एंड वाइल वी आर लीविंग फ्रॉम मुन्नार आप कोशिश करो कि आप मरयूर से निकलो ताकि आपके लिए ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन ना हो. एंड मरयूर इज़ अ वेरी प्रिस्टीन रोड. आई मीन आपको यहाँ पे सारे ब्यूटी एक साथ मिल जाते हैं मुन्नार के, प्लस आपको अनामुडी एंड लक्कम वाटरफॉल्स भी आगे मिलेंगे. सो दैट्स अ क्रेजी थिंग. Yeah, so after Lakum Falls being the last stop, I guess this is the end of Munnar, and yes, this is the last chapter. So I'm heading back to Bangalore. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I had a really splendid time, and I really suggest कि आप सभी के सभी please do make a plan to come to Munnar. Do hit the like and comment button. Do subscribe my channel for more such vlogs. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is Rajvi signing off. Have a good day.